this is Serena from Allsea Boats. Today I bring my customer here to test his boats.
Hi, I'm Landon. Here with Serena.
Yeah.
She helped me so much in getting the boat from their company. I'm very excited to test my boats in the waters. So I'm very glad to be here, and I'm happy to see the outcome of my boats.
Also, welcome Landon. Come from US,
from the US
to China.
First time in China.
Yeah.
And also a warm reception, good receiving from Serena.
Okay.
So thank you.
Let's see later our boats on water.
Allsea Pontoon.